So we've got a 8230 tractor that we're working on today, and customer said that he's been having some issues with the fuel level gauge. And he said when he fills it up, it'll go, I think, all the way full. Then as it comes down, it stops at half full, even though he gets below that. So my assumption is we got a bad fuel sender, but we're gonna go ahead and check out the wiring, make sure that we're not overlooking something. I do have a fuel sender with me, so let's check it out, see what we got going on. After we turn the key on, looks like it's about a quarter full, so I may misunderstood him. Maybe he said it only goes up to half full when it's full. Yeah, if you look down in there, it's almost full. So it's definitely misreading. So we're gonna pull up the floor mat and get access to the fuel sender itself. Underneath the floor mats here, we've got a plate here with 4 8mm screws. And right there is our sender. With the key on, we've got 12 volts, like we should. And I shook the harness earlier and I can't get it to change the voltage. So we're gonna go ahead and we'll pull the sender out and we can actually ohm it out and see what's going on with it. Got the fuel sender out of it. Right away I noticed that the top up here is all busted out and cracked. And we've got our ohm ratings up here, and if we move our float, it does go up and down like it's supposed to. It doesn't go all the way. It should be at 0 when it's full, and it's at 27 there. But all the way empty should be 125, so we're really close on the bottom side, but top side's way off. Obviously damage there, so we're going to go ahead and install our new one. So here's our new fuel sender. This one's actually it's a little different. This is the newest number, and the float's on the inside of the housing here. But if we look at it, we're at 125. When it's empty, we go down to 0 when it's full. So we'll go ahead and install this one. Looks like we do have to have a little bit longer bolts to install it. So we've got our new fuel sender installed. If we look at our gauge over there, we're showing about 3/4 of the way full, so it's working now. So we'll go ahead and put our plate back on and put our floor mat down, and that'll be a fix on this one. Pretty simple, easy fix.